Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry of class 10th. In this exercise we read two formulas. First one is called section formula. Section formula. Section formula is that when 2 points are divided in some ratio. Let us suppose that we have 2 points x1, y1 and b is x2, y2. This is point C, this is xy. Suppose that these 2 points are divided into m1 ratio m2. Then the section formula is x is equal to, we multiply this by this and this by this. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the value of coordinate x. In coordinate y, m1 y2, that's m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is called section formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by the sum of this ratio. In y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by sum of this ratio. The second one is called midpoint formula. In midpoint formula, if we take these 2 points, A is x1 and y1 and B is x2, y2 and point C is xy. For midpoint, we divide this ratio in 1 1. So x is 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 1 plus 1. This means x2 plus x1 by 2 and y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2 y2 plus y1 upon 2. It's called midpoint formula. These are the two formulas in this exercise. We use these formulas to solve these 6 questions. In question number 1, the statement is find the coordinate of the point which divides 2 points. 2 points are, one of them is -1 and 7, other is 4 -3, divides in, this is xy, 2:3. This is 2:3. As we know, x is m1 x2 plus m1 m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. This means this 2 is multiplied by 4 and 3 is multiplied by -1 divided by 2 plus 3. 8 means 3 upon 5, that is 5 upon 5 equal to 1. Second one is y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. m1 is 2, y2 is -3. This is 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. -6 plus 15 upon 5, that's 21. This is equal to 15 upon 5 equal to 3. This means the point C is 1, 3. This is the solution of question number 1. This means the points are 1, 3, which divides these 2 points into 2:3. In question number 2, the statement is find the coordinate of the point of trisection. These are the 2 points, 4 -1 and this is -2 -3. We have trisection. Trisection means we divide 3 parts. So these 3 parts are, first we divide 1:2. This is point C xy. 1:2 means trisection. This is x is equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 over m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 8 by 3, 6 upon 3 equal to 2. Y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. 3 means 2 by 3 means 5 upon 3. This is point C. 2 means 5 by 3. Other we divide these 2 points. A is 4 means 1. B is means 2 means 3. So we take D point here. This is 2:1. In this x is m1 x2 m2 x1 over m1 plus m2 means 4 plus 4 by 3, that's 0. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2 means 6 means 1 upon 3, 7 upon 3. This means the point D is 0 means 7 by 3. These are the 2 points in which these 2 points are divided into 1:2 or 2:1, that is trisection. In question number third one is solution is find the ratio in which the line segment joining these points. This one first is means 3:10, second is 6 means 8. This is divided by means 1:6. Let us take the ratio as m1 m2. This is the ratio, let us suppose. So x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. X is means 1, this is 6m1 3m2 over m1 plus m2. When we cross multiply we get this. So this is means m1, this is m2, 6m1 3m2. This is means m1 means 6m1 3m2 plus m2. This is 7m1. This is means m2 2m2. So m1 upon m2 is 2 by 7. This means the required ratio is 2:7. This is the solution of question number 3. In question number 4, the statement is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A point is 1 means 5, B point is means 4 5 is divided by x-axis. As we know, on x-axis y is always 0, and let us take this ratio as m1:m2. So we find first m1 m2, then coordinate of x. As we know, on x-axis y is 0 and on y-axis x is 0. So in this we first find y. Y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. In this y is 0, so this is 5m1 means 5m2 over m1 plus m2. Cross multiply this, we have 5m1 equals to 5m2. So m1 upon m2 is 5 upon 5, that is 1:1. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2. m1 x2 is means 4, m2 x1 is 1, m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 1. So this is 1, this is also 1. This is means 4 plus 1 upon 2 means 3 upon 2. So point C is means 3 upon 2 0. This is the solution of question number 4th. In question number 5th, the statement is if 1 4 4y x 6 and 3 5 are the vertex of parallelogram. This is parallelogram. This is the vertex A 1 2. This is B 4y. This is C and this is D. So this is the diagonal AC, this is diagonal BC. As we know, in parallelogram, midpoints of diagonals are same. So first we find midpoint of AC. As we know, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2. That is x1 is 1 plus x upon 2 and y is y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is 2 plus 6 by 2, 8 by 2, 4. So midpoint of AC are 1 plus x upon 2 and 4. Same midpoint of BD. BD is 3 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus y upon 2. As we know, these midpoints are always equal. So this is 7 by 2. This cancel out. 7 means 1 is 6. In this, 4 is equal to 5 plus y upon 2. 8 is equal to 5 plus y. So y is equal to 3. This means value of x is 6 and value of y is 3. In question number 6, the statement is find the coordinate point A where AB is the diameter of circle. This is a circle. This is the diameter in which point we are required to find A. This is x1, y1 is required and point B is 1, 4 and center is 2 means 3. This is the center. As we know, this is diameter, this is the radius, this is the radius. This means AC equal to BC. So C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. X is equal to 2 and x1 is x. X1 is x1. X2 is 1 upon 2. This is 4 is equal to x1 plus x1 is equal to 3. Similar, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is means 3. Y1 plus 4 upon 2. This is means 6. Y1 plus 4. So y1 is means 10. This means the coordinate of point A is 3 means 10. This is the solution of question number 6. As we know, in a circle, this is the diameter, this is equal to r radius, this is equal to r radius. This means C is the midpoint of AB. In this we apply midpoint formula to find the coordinate of A. These are the solutions of 6th question of exercise 7.2. This exercise is very important. Okay, if you have any problem, then ask me at any time. Thanks.